Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can join Souls RNG Discord server. So first up, open up your Discord on your web or app version. So right from here, go to the left side panel and then click on the plus icon, which is the Add a Server button. Once you click on that, go to the bottom and click this option, join a server, and then just have to enter the invitation link. Now, in this case, I'm going to type in Souls RNG and then click on join server. Once you click on join server, then you'll be directly go to the Discord server of Souls RNG. And then from here, you can customize your experience, select what roles do you need, or if you don't want to select, just click on the skip button at the bottom right. Now you just have to read and agree all the server rules right over here. And once done, click on the finish button right here at the bottom right. And once you click on finish, then you will now go to the Souls RNG Discord server. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.